Phil!
Are you listening? Damn.
IoT chain, a high security light IoT OS. You must be wondering, what is IoT? Well, you came to the right place. Rich TV Live, we bring you the answers. IoT is the Internet of Things. This is the future, people. The Internet of Things is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objects, animals, or people that are provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. We are changing so fast. IoT chain has a GitHub account. They are on Telegram with over 2,400 members. IoT chain is also on Twitter with 897 followers. I'm following them now. IoT. Who is IoT, you ask? Well, let's get into it. First of all, what is ITC? ITC is designed to solve the severe safety problems of present IoT. ITC applies a combination of asymmetric encryption of cryptography, semi-homomorphic encryption, superior text computing technology, and disrupted architecture without data center. Therefore, ITC can not only protect the user's devices from being attacked by hackers, ensuring it's controlling right safety, but also defend users and their devices, data safety, sovereignty, and privacy security. For example, the data of intelligent device, such as a camera, can only be checked by users themselves. This is all about security in the Internet of Things technology. Okay? The architecture of ITC can well satisfy the high concurrency environment of IoT, where everything is interconnected with each other. It's computers working with computers, eliminating human error. The main chain has adopted PBFT consensus strategy through combination of point-to-point communication network of DAG subnet and simple verification technology of Merkle data structure. The main net can meet the requirement of hundreds of thousands of concurrency. Because of distributed DAG subnet, the whole network can achieve better concurrency. Essentially saying, by eliminating human error and by having machines working together, all devices can concurrently work together in unison. This is revolutionary, people. This is why IOTA has been exploding using the IoT, the Internet of Things technology, and thus the IoT chain is now creating more security for the Internet of Things. Under the circumstance of big data revolution overwhelming commercial industry, ITC first puts forward the idea that data sovereignty belongs to the user. This is huge. Too many companies are taking advantage of our data, using our data, selling our data. These guys believe it's important to protect your data, and only the users have the ability to use that data and have access to that data and provide technical protection for this. Non-circular data is valueless. ITC has applied zero knowledge proof, Bloom filter, hyperlog, and other probabilistic models to provide data analysis access to smart contracts. In this way, The companies can submit smart contracts to use the user's data for machine learning and pay tokens for the users according to their data contribution. Let's take a look at the application context. You need a thing-to-thing pay. You are going to then share within the economy. You're going to have safe access and property digitization trade. Architecture of the ITC platform. In the past, you would just have an ordinary device. Then what happened is they came out with ITC solutions, access chips, as you could see here, like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, for example, M2M service module, IoT application port, as you could see, blockchain wallet applications. These are all new technologies that were created, assets within a wallet, and the blockchain block registration module. Then comes the blockchain IoT devices. We create through IoT chain device intelligence, remote controls, and SIEM linkage, device safety, access safety, and data safety. This is huge. We all need protection in this industry of our data. We all need the ability to access our data and do it safely. IoT chain provides that safety, provides that access. And equipment capitalization, digital asset transactions, connection with digital currencies, digital assertion. This is revolutionary. This is huge. This is IoT chain. Now we can get into all the technical information, but I don't want to get into too much technical information. We can look at the roadmap. In 2017, November 30th, just recently, the main chain entered the test stage. On January 30th, 2018, the wallet will enter the test stage. In April 30th, 2018, the main chain test will be accomplished. So you could see they are moving forward with their roadmap. In May 20th, 2018, ITC main chain wallet test will be accomplished. And on September 30th, 2018, DAG network enters test stage. 2018, December 30th, DAG network comes online, and February 2019, the 28th, joint debugging of DAG network and main network accomplished. Business action plan. Lighting field, the later half of 2017. Electronic equipment, the first half of 2019. Industrial IoT, 2022. You can see here the team, the CEO, Z Zwoopeng. He has been engaged in smart hardware field for 4 years and has profoundly studied blockchain for 3 years. He has participated in designing smart lighting architecture for several lighting companies at home and abroad. Besides, he has taken part in many designs of smart hardware architecture. You could see the entire team here. You can see the advisory team, and you can see their investment agencies. You can download everything you need to know right here. You can visit their Facebook page. You can see that I've already liked them on Facebook. I am following them on Facebook. So IoT chain, a high security application for the Internet of Things, for IoT technology. Now, let's learn a little bit more about some of the specifics. They are working with the IOTA blockchain of China. Advantages: strong investors. FBG is one of those strong investors. Strong comparable with IOTA at 12 billion. little advertising so far, so they're just getting started. And if you want to get in, now's the time to get in while they're just getting started. Partnerships with Shanghai High Flying Electronics Technology, People's Daily Digital Communication, Shenzhen Galaxy Wind Network System, Shanghai Shuncom Smart Technology, T-Link Semiconductor. As you can see here, all the different partnerships: T-Link Semiconductor, Shanghai B-Tiger Network Technology, Shenzhen Lens Technology, all partnerships with IoT chain. Why is it important? Security. IoT is susceptible to botnet attacks. IoT chain will protect the IoT, the Internet of Things, from botnet attacks. Cost. IoT has a high cost of centralized architecture. Maintaining the centralized cloud and large-scale serve cluster is very expensive. IoT chain will help with this. The core technology is asymmetrical encryption. ITC nodes protect the user's privacy. The blockchain cannot be tampered with. Scalability. The future ITC will have tens of thousands of nodes to meet the needs of IoT data storage with the blockchain. Consensus system. PBFT consensus, the DAG network. This is IoT chain. Learn all about them. The future of the Internet of Things. Why is the Internet of Things so important? Let's talk about it. A thing. The Internet of Things can be a person with a heart monitor plant, a farm animal with a biochip transponder, an automobile that has built-in sensors to alert the driver when the tire pressure is low, or any other natural or man-made object that can be assigned an IP address and provided with the ability to transfer data over a network. IoT has evolved with the convergence of wireless technologies, microelectronic mechanical systems, MEMS, microservices, and the internet. The convergence has helped tear down the silo walls between operation technology, OT, and information technology, IT, allowing unstructured machine-generated data to be analyzed for insights that will drive improvements. Today, computers, and therefore the internet, are almost wholly dependent on human beings for information. Nearly all of the roughly 50 petabytes, a petabyte is 1,024 terabytes, of data available on the internet were first computed and created by human beings by typing, pressing a record button, taking a digital picture, or scanning a barcode. The problem is people have limited time, attention, and accuracy, all of which means they are not very good at computing data about things in the real world. We have had computers that knew everything there was to know about things using data they were gathered without any help from us. We would be able to track and count everything and greatly reduce waste, loss, and cost. We would know when things needed replacing, repairing, or rescaling, and whether they were fresh or past their best. This is revolutionizing the world. Practical applications of IoT technology can be found in many industries today, including precision agriculture, building management, healthcare, energy, and transportation. Connectivity options for electronics engineers and application developers working on products and systems for the Internet of Things include, although the concept wasn't named until 1999, the Internet of Things has been in development for decades. The first internet appliance, for example, was a Coke machine at Carnegie Mellon University in the early 1980s. This is just the beginning for IoT technology, people, and IoT chain is on the cusp of IoT technology. Get protected. Be protected. IoT chain. You heard it here first from your boy Rich. A high security light IoT OS. This is your boy Rich. And I'm out. Peace.